Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install Ubuntu 18.04 Studio. First I will show you how to download Ubuntu 18.04 Studio. So open this link, you will find it on the description of the video, and then click here, choose direct download or torrent, and choose your architect of PC. Okay, we choose 64 byte direct. So I will cancel because I have already downloaded. So now I will show you how to create a bootable USB for Ubuntu 18.04 Studio. Let's open Rufus. You will find it also on the description of the video. And let's download. And let's open Rufus. Okay, here choose the preferred the USB. Let's first format the USB. Format and launch. It is format now, and let's change the name, for example Ubuntu Studio. Okay, let's reopen Rufus. Okay, and here choose the USB, and here choose the ISO of Ubuntu 18.04 Studio, and click on launch to start. And okay, and this starts to create bootable USB for Ubuntu Studio. Okay, this is how to create a bootable USB for Ubuntu 18.04. But now I will use Oracle to install Ubuntu 18.04. But it is the same thing. You can follow the same step. So Ubuntu 18.04 Studio, and next, and choose for the RAM. I will give 5 GB. Create and VDI dynamic allocation, and 30 for GB for the disk. And let's launch Ubuntu 18.04 Studio, and here choose the ISO image, and it will be boot for Ubuntu 18.04. Launch. Okay, this is Ubuntu Studio, so install Ubuntu Studio. But you can try it without install, but here we must install it, so just choose install. So you will find it every day new tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel to follow our news. Okay, choose the language English and continue. Choose your keyboard layout. I will choose French assertive, but you can choose which you want. And download update while installing Ubuntu Studio, yeah, and continue. Ubuntu Studio installation option. The install multimedia package and texture move. I will let all. For example, I need the graphic and photography and publishing, so let's keep this package. Erase disk and installation Ubuntu Studio, or create or resize. I will resize by myself. New partition table and continue, and let's create for the swap area. I will give the double of RAM, so I will give 10 GB. and let's choose mount point / I will give also 10 or 12 is good, and finally for /home and OK, and click on install now and continue. Okay, where are you? Your name, empty software, but my real name is Maki. Okay, choose password and confirm your password and continue. And now it starts to install, so you can take a coffee until it finish. Okay, the installation is finished now. Let's restart now. And press enter, another enter. Okay, let's log in now. Okay, this is Ubuntu 18.04 Studio. Let's discover together. Let's open, let's see the application. For example, for audio protection, we have Audacity, the most famous software for audio protection. Let's see for graphic design, we have Blender and Krita and GNU Image. Video protection, we have Blender, OpenShot video editor. We have also education, accessory, games, and this is for system and Ubuntu Studio information about XFCE. So this is the desktop environment. So this is how to install Ubuntu 18.04 Studio. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.